Hi guys, welcome to Maverick channel. Okay, this will be the maiden flight for my new drone in the house, the VTI Phoenix. As you can see, I have already turned everything on. I am trying to go airborne right now. And firstly, I would like to connect to the app. I think I've already done that, but let me see. Let me go into it again and try to make sure that everything is as it should be for a successful flight. And you should also note that I have not yet fully charged the battery, but I cannot wait to go airborne, so I am going to try to fly with an almost empty battery, which is not advisable to do. I will not advise anyone to do this, but for the purpose of this video, I will just and also for my enjoyment and yours, I will try to get it airborne for maybe a minute or two. Okay, let me see here. Let me check this a little bit to make sure that everything is as it should be, because the battery is so low. I don't want to make a mistake and then it takes off for parts unknown. So give me a few moments. Okay, I think everything is fine. Let me see now if it's, oh yes it is. Okay guys, da 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 da. Drum roll please. Okay, let's go. Oh yes, that's what I'm talking about, baby. Oh Lord, man, very stable, lift off perfectly. I used the lift up button on the left side of the remote control, and yes. Yo Lord, the Phoenix is in the air. The Phoenix is in the air. Okay, let me try to switch now over to the video from the drone itself. Okay, and then this is the video, the shot from the, oh my goodness, lovely, 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 lovely capture. But it seems to be having a little glitch. There was a little pause there. I don't know whether you noticed the vehicle, the car that passed by, it stopped a little bit on the video. But it is clear, given that it is just an HD camera that it has. I'm pretty impressed about this. Oh yes. Okay, let us see now if we can go airborne and see what happens to this particular footage. Ooh, it is clear, man. But you see, it halts a little bit. I don't know whether it's a connection issue or maybe because of the battery that is very low, but let's try to let's try to fly a little bit and turn around and see what happens. Man, given that it is just an HD camera that it has, I am pretty impressed. I am happy about this drone, and it flies perfectly, reacts good or great to control. Wow. Oh my goodness, Vivitar has done it again. Man, for those who know, they know I love, for those who have been my friends on YouTube for a while, they know I love my Vivitar AeroView video drone, but it doesn't give me such great pictures. Okay. Man, I'm sorry I cannot fly for long because the battery was too low, and I don't want to risk it. I don't want it to go or take off for parts unknown. But as you can see, this is when it was descending, and yeah. Oh Lord Jesus. Jesus, I'm gonna enjoy this drone. I can't wait to take it to the lake and to fly in the mountains and, and make some great videos for all of us. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys, that was the maiden flight. It was a complete success. I am very happy with this drone, and please comment below. Give me suggestions on what you want me to do, and I would see you all on the next one, of course. So it has been the VTI Phoenix, and it was a lovely, 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 lovely maiden flight. Very short, but very, very successful as well. Man, I'm gonna rock this drone. All right, love you all. See you on the next one.